Good morning to everyone. Today exercise 11.4 first problem, evaluate the following. In that, what is given? First problem, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is given. This value we have to find. Now here, using what is the tan theta in terms of sin and cos, means tan theta is equal to, we can write sin theta by cos theta. Next, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Ratio of cos and sin is cot. Ratio of sin and cos is tan. Sec theta multiplicative inverse sec and cos. అంటే sec theta is equal 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. మనము సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే 1 plus tan theta. Tan theta place లో I'm taking sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta plus sec theta. Good morning. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay. Next, what is given? 1 plus cot theta. Cot theta plus I'm writing cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. And next, cosec theta. Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. Now here is two terms. Denominator is same. What is the denominator? Cos theta. Here these two terms, denominator is same, that is sin theta. So theta plus 1 by cos theta. Okay na? It is a like fraction. 1 plus, now I'm writing cos theta minus 1 and sin theta. Is it clear? Here sin. Next, here 1, denominator is 1, here also denominator is 1. Now cross multiplication. Now cross multiplication or LCM of 1 and cos theta is cos theta. Now with the cross multiplication, 1 into cos theta plus multiply 1 and sin theta plus 1. 1 and sin theta plus 1 means sin theta plus 1 only. Okay. Next, here sin theta is LCM. Here 1 sin theta. 1, what is the LCM of 1 and sin theta? Means sin theta only. Cross multiplication. 1 into sin theta plus 1 into cos theta minus 1. Now here observe, here cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. I am taking cos theta plus sin theta as one bracket plus 1, means this is from cos theta plus sin theta is A. Next, cos theta plus sin theta, this is also A and minus 1. A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. Can it be written as, what is the denominator? Cos theta into sin theta. Okay. Now A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. Now I am taking this inequality. Okay now. Here what is A? Cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus B square means 1 square. By denominator is same, cos theta into sin theta. Now expand cos theta plus sin theta by using A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square formula. What is the A plus B whole square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now expand this. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Cos square theta plus B square రాసుకుందాం. Sin square theta 2AB means 2 into cos theta into sin theta. 1 square means 1 only. What is the denominator? Cos theta into sin theta. Now here cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Why? From the first trigonometric identity, this value is 1 only. Since cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal 1. From the first trigonometric identity, I am taking this value 1. Okay. 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta. Here last minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 0. Okay na? Remaining is, what is the remaining? 2 cos theta into sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. In the numerator cos theta, denominator. So numerator sin theta, denominator sin theta cancel. What is the remaining? 2 into 1, 2. Second problem is sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. You expand this a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square using a plus b whole square, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Next, here a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, expand this using a minus b whole square, means sin square theta, a square means sin square theta plus b square means cos square theta minus 2ab, 2 sin theta into cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. చూడండి, here sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta, cos square theta plus cos square theta, 2 cos square theta. So that's the way I'm 2 sin square theta plus 2 cos square theta. 2 taken as common. This is the first trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. This value is 1. 2 into 1. This is also 2. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Sin theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to 2. Very good. Next, third one is sec square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta minus 1. Now, what are the second trigonometric identity and third trigonometric identity? Once you write here, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We know that these are the trigonometric identities. Second trigonometric identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. From this, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Next, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now, what is the third trigonometric identity? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. What is the cosec square theta? Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Now substitute sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta and cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Right here. Sec square place lo 1 plus tan square theta. Cosec square theta place lo 1 plus cot square theta. Rayandi. 1 plus tan square theta. Here sec square theta is place lo 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta place lo substitute 1 plus cot square theta by 1 plus cot square theta minus 1. చూడండి, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 అంటే 0. 1 minus 1 అంటే 0. What is the remaining? Tan square theta. Here cot square theta. Product of tan and cot is 1. Product of tan and cot is 1. So this is equal to tan theta into cot theta whole square. This value is 1. 1 square means 1 only. This can be 1 square means 1. What is the value of sec square theta minus 1? Cosec square theta minus 1 value is product of sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1 is 1 only. LHS, I am taking LHS. Cosec theta minus cot theta is given. Now what we have to prove? these two are equal. So I am simplifying this, we get the RHS value. Okay. What is the cosec theta? Can be written as cosec theta is equal to, cosec theta can be written 1 by sin theta. Cot theta, substitute cot theta is equal to, cot theta is equal to cos theta, ratio of cos and sin right here, these values. Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Here denominator is same, so write the numerator together, terms together. 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin theta square. Now from the first trigonometric identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. From this I am writing sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. I am taking sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now here numerator value is 1 minus cos theta whole square. I am writing as it is. In the denominator, what is the value? Sin square theta. Sin square theta means I am expressing sin theta in terms of cos. Here because RHS value total in cos terms only, is in cos terms only. That's why I am expressing the sin in terms of cos. Sin theta square. I am writing sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. But a square minus b square can be written as a minus b into a plus b. So here 1 minus cos square theta means this is 1 square. So 1 minus cos theta whole square as it is. In the denominator, a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b. A minus b means 1 minus cos theta. A plus b is 1 plus cos theta. So here 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square means 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta only. Here 1 minus cos theta is cancelled. What is the remaining? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. What is this value? This is RHS only. This is RHS only. Now what? This is RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. LHS తీసుకుంటే RHS వచ్చింది. So hence proved. Now third problem. What is the third problem? 1 plus okay. For this 1 minus cos theta. Here same problem I will explain with RHS only. RHS to now what we have to prove? RHS value. I am taking RHS value 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now what we have to prove? LHS value. I am taking this value. To simplify this, you have to prove this value. Okay na? Here 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now here 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here what we have to prove? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So I am multiplying dividing by 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta as it is. I am multiplying dividing by 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. చూడండి 1 cancel అయితే మళ్ళీ remaining as it is వస్తుంది. Now what is the numerator value? 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Multiplying a term itself. అంటే a into a square కదా. So here also 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square. Here in the denominator, what is the denominator value? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal what? a square minus b square only. A square minus b square only. A plus b into a minus b. So I am writing a is equal 1 and 1 square. B is equal cos square theta. Okay. Next, same as it is 1 minus cos theta whole square. What is the denominator value? A square minus b square means 1 minus cos square theta only. This is 1 minus cos square theta. By first trigonometric identity, what is the first trigonometric identity? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. 1 only. Now what is sin square theta? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. Here 1 minus cos square theta is equal, I am taking sin square theta. Okay. Numerator value 1 minus cos theta whole square as it is. What is the value of 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta. Okay. Sin square theta. A square by b square is equal to a by b whole square. Okay na? A by b whole square. A square by b square is equal to a by b whole square. So here also the square is, I am taking total 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Whole square. Now here I am splitting the 1 by sin theta. Two terms rastunna. Cos theta by sin theta whole square. What is the 1 by sin theta value? 1 by sin theta is the what? 1 by sin theta can be written as cosec theta minus cos by sin is cot theta whole square. This is what? LHS. RHS is equal to LHS. Hence proved. Third one is root square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. Show that square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. I am taking RHS value. What is the RHS? Sec A plus tan A. I am simplifying RHS. Now sec A plus tan A, sec A can be written as 1 by cos A plus sin A can be written as tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. Okay. Here denominator is same. I am writing the numerator terms together. 1 plus sin A like fractions. 1 plus sin A. Now in the trigonometric identities, cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Once we observe what we already, these all discussed. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Cos A is equal to root of 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A. Already I explained this all at first trigonometric identity only. Now I am taking cos A is equal root of 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Okay na? 1 plus sin A by what is the cos value? Only cos value I am expressing cos in terms of sin. Cos A value in terms of sin A lo rastunna. So 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. What is the numerator? 1 plus sin A can be written as root తీసుకుంటున్నా 1 plus sin A whole square రాసుకుంటున్నా. ఓకేనా? By root 1 minus sin A into root 1 plus sin A. చూడండి, A is equal to root A whole square. Okay, 1 plus sin A is equal to square root of స్క్వేర్ పెట్టుకున్నా, స్క్వేర్ రూట్ తీసుకున్నా, స్క్వేర్ పెట్టేసుకున్నా. చూడండి, రూట్ ఇక్కడ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఉంది 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A కదా. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ సపరేట్లీ. root 1 minus sin A into root 1 plus sin A. Now this value root 1 plus sin A whole square I am writing separately. 1 plus sin A root 1 plus sin A into root 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A. Now in the denominator 1 plus sin A, numerator 1 plus sin A is cancelled. What is the remaining? Root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Root 1 plus sin A by root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. 1 minus sin A. So this is what? LHS only. 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. This is LHS. RHS ని తీసుకొని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే LHS వచ్చింది. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Fourth problem is show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. Now I am taking LHS minus 1. Okay, cot square A minus 1. Now I am taking in the numerator tan square A is taken as common. Tan square A taken as common. Now tan square A taken as common. Here what is the only 1? So here what will happen? 1 by tan square A will comes. Here tan square A is common తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది 1 only. Now in the denominator same as it is cot square A minus 1. Now what is the value of 1 by tan square? Tan square A same. What is the value of 1 by tan square A? This is cot square A minus 1. In the denominator is cot square A minus 1. Now cot square A minus 1, cot square A minus 1 cancel. What is the answer? Tan square A. What is this? RHS. This is RHS only. Okay now. LHS is equal to RHS. Fifth problem is 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. Prove that or show that ST. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal tan theta into sin theta. Okay. Now I am taking LHS value. What is the LHS value? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. LCM is cos theta into 1. The LCM is cos theta. Now cross multiply 1 into 1, 1. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Cos square theta. From the first trigonometric identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal what? 1. Sin square theta is equal 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. Now I am writing 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Okay. అన్ని కూడా ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఐడెంటిటీస్ రాకుంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రావు. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 4 నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పిన 1 minus cos square theta is equal to I am taking sin square theta by cos theta. Okay na? What is the in the RHS what we have to prove? This is tan theta into sin theta. Tan theta into sin theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta only. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta by cos theta. So this is only. So I am writing sin square theta ఏమని రాస్తున్నట్టే sin theta into sin theta. Okay, any doubt? Sin square theta, a square is equal to a into a only. So remaining cos theta is as it is. What is sin by cos? What is sin by cos? This is tan. Next this is sin. So this is RHS only. This is RHS. Hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS. చూడండి RHS tan theta into sin theta only. Tan theta into sin theta. First take the LHS value and simplify. And I am taking LCM. Cos theta is the LCM. Multiply the cross multiplication. 1 into 1 1. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta by using trigonometric identity. 1 minus cos square theta is equal. I am writing sin square theta. Next sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta can be written as sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Remaining sin theta is as it is. This is we have to prove this one only. Tan theta into sin theta only. Okay na? LHS is equal to RHS.